Next problem is evaluate by Green's theorem closed integral curve C y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy, where C is the triangular enclosed by the lines x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and pi y equal to 2x. Solution is to evaluate closed integral y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy. So, this is in the form of closed integral m dx plus n dy. Here m equal to y minus sin x and n equal to cos x. Now, we find dou m by dou y. That means differentiate with respect to y partially of m is y in differentiation is 1 minus sin x differentiation is 0. So, that equal to dou m by dou y is 1 and dou n by dou x equal to minus sin x. By using Green's theorem, the statement of Green's theorem is closed integral m dx plus n dy equal to double integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y of dx dy. Next, we find limits, x limits and y limits. So, in this given problem, given lines are x equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 2. So, x limits are 0 to pi by 2. Next, we want y limits and given pi y equal to 2x, which implies y equal to 2x by pi. So, y limits are, we have to taken y is lower limit is 0. So, y varies from 0 to 2x by pi. Now, substitute dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y in Green's theorem. We have closed integral y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy equal to double integral x limits are 0 to pi by 2 and y limits are 0 to 2x by pi minus sin x minus 1 into dx dy. So, that equal to write minus is without integral. So, minus integral 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to 2x by pi sin x plus 1 dy dx. Now, integrate with respect to y, we get minus integral x equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus 1 is a constant, dy integration is y with the limits 0 to 2x by pi. That equal minus integral x equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus 1 into, now substitute upper limit is 2x by pi minus lower limit is 0 into dx. So, in this integration 2 by pi is a constant. So, to write without integral minus 2 by pi integral x equal 0 to pi by 2 and multiple of x into 1 is x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x dx. So, separate the integrations, that equal to minus 2 by pi into first integration is x square by 2 with the limits 0 to pi by 2 plus second integration we have to solve by using the formula integral u dv, that is minus x into cos x. So, limits are 0 to pi by 2 minus integral 0 to pi by 2 minus cos x dx. So, this is the formula of integral u dv, that is minus 2 by pi into x square by 2. Substitute upper limit is pi by 2 and lower limit is 0. We get pi square by 8 plus and minus pi by 2 cos pi by 2, lower limit is 0 plus integral cos x is sin x with the limits 0 to pi by 2. So, that equal to minus 2 by pi. In first term is pi square by 8 plus cos pi by 2 is 0 plus sin pi by 2 upper limit minus sin 0 lower limit. So, that equal to minus 2 by pi into pi square by 8 plus sin pi by 2 is 1. That equal to multiple with minus 2 by pi, we get minus pi by 4 minus 2 by pi. Next problem is using Green's theorem evaluate integral over c 2xy minus x square dx plus x square plus y square into dy, where c is the closed curve of the region bounded by y equal to x square and y square equal to x. So, solution is given two parabolas y square equal to x and y equal to x square. These two curves intersecting the points 0, 0, that is origin, and p equal to 1, 1. And given a integral, we have to write this is in the form of integral m dx plus n dy. Here m equal to 2xy minus x square and n equal to x square plus y square. Next, to find dou m by dou y, that equal to 2x into y is 1 minus x square is 0. So dou m by dou y equal to 2x and dou n by dou x equal to x square. X square differentiation is 2x plus y square differentiation is 0. So dou n by dou x equal to 2x. Hence dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to 2x minus 2x equal to 0. By using Green's theorem, the formula of Green's theorem is integral m dx plus n dy equal to double integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y of dx dy. So that equal to integral m dx means 2xy minus x square dx plus n dy means x square plus y square dy equal to double integral. We have to take in limits. X limits are 0 to 1. So these are from intersecting points 0, 0 to 1, 1. So we will take x limits are 0 to 1 and y limits. So this is the important in this problem. How to take y limits? So just see the picture. In this picture we have to take the y limits. This is the curve y equal to x square is intersect the curve y square equal to x. Now we have to evaluate the region 0 to p. So we have to take in the limits y equal to x square to root x and dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is 0. So that equal to the value is 0. Next problem is find the circulation of f bar round the curve C where f bar equal to e power x sin y I bar plus e power x cos y j bar and C is the rectangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 pi by 2 and 0 pi by 2. Solution is, in this problem we have to find the circulation of f bar. That means to find integral f bar dot dr bar. So circulation of f bar equal to integral f bar dot dr bar equal to integral f bar is given value dot dr bar is dx I bar plus dy j bar. So we using the dot product we get integral e power x sin y dx plus e power x cos y dy. This is in the form of integral m dx plus n dy. Here m equal to e power x sin y and n equal to e power x cos y. Now we find dou m by dou y equal to e power x is constant, sin y differentiation is cos y and dou n by dou x cos y is constant, e power x differentiation is e power x. So by using Green's theorem, integral m dx plus n dy equal to double integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. So that equal to double integral e power x cos y minus e power x cos y, that equal to 0.